Hey there, and welcome to the second episode of Birdseye Interview and the second part of my interview with Chris Newell, manager of the 2017-2018 USPBL Champion Birmingham Bloomfield Beavers. That's a long sentence.
Well, exclamation point.
Yes.
Yeah, we finished that sentence.
So we're going to do something a little bit different today. Of course, we'll be getting some video of what the ballpark looks like today. But Skip, I'm also going to interact some video of progress of the construction of Jimmy John's Field.
Yeah,
so a little bit
fun process.
Yeah, it's going to be interesting. So as we put this drone in the air, Skip, I want to talk as we're looking at the progression of Jimmy John's Field since there was nothing there just like 3 or 4 years ago. How has things changed from year one to as you're about to kick off season 4 here in the USPBL?
Well, you know, a lot has changed, but at the same time, a lot has stayed the same. You know, we still have a great product out there. We're still bringing in great players who are, without a doubt, deserving of an opportunity to get paid to play professional baseball. There's no doubt. You put a ballpark like this, I don't care where you put it, it's big time. And obviously, as I said, all these years, you know, Andy and his staff, they've certainly done it right, and this is such a great environment to be a part of, and no one's more, you know, thankful than I am.
As far as specifically on the field from season 1 till now, how has the game changed, or how has your position changed? Talk about the difference between now and then.
Well, there really hasn't been that big of a change, other than we've added another team, obviously, but the quality of play is still fantastic. And you know, we're a lot of good players are getting an opportunity to keep that uniform on, and you know, obviously going into year 4, opening day in 2016, we had 0 guys signed to MLB contracts, and now we're at 28. So, you know, do the math on that, but that's pretty spectacular in such a short amount of time.
We mentioned in the previous interview that the Beavers have a chance to do something that's never been done before. Mm-hmm. What should the fans expect from the Beavers this year on the field?
Well, good baseball, good players out there on the field, but also good in the community. Very reliable young men. That's why they're here. That's why I'm, you know, surrounded myself with them. I've always prided myself and surrounded myself with the right people and successful people. And let's be honest, I'm here, you know, doing this interview because of the players that I've had in the past. So really, all the glory goes to them, and they know how I feel about them. They know I'm indebted to them, and in my job, I'm going to identify the right players. There's no doubt about that. But my job is to just basically get the hell out of their way and let them play.
How many returning players you got, and you know, what should we expect as far as new people?
I've got 9 returning guys that were obviously huge for us last year. They know what it takes to win. They go about their business the right way. But you know what to expect as the fans. Just another great Beaver team that's always going to be prepared.
Talk to me about your pitching staff.
Got a real good pitching staff. Jerry Salisbury, my left-handed ace, he's going to start opening night. He was big for us last year when you know, we got him from Ohio University. He's got a track record of winning. He's got 2 championship rings in college, and obviously he's going to get his championship ring here at the pro level Friday night. And I got a nice pitcher from LSU, which is without a doubt the greatest baseball school in the country. Dylan Collette, left-handed 8th inning, 9th inning guy. He's going to come in and do some great things like he did last year. Gabe Berman, who's a local kid. I've had the privilege of knowing this guy since he was 11, 12 years old when I first started working with him. Great kid, great family. He's the all-time saves leader at Western Michigan University, and they got a very good baseball program there. Billy Gurnan does a heck of a job, and always has everywhere he's been. And so for me, getting quality players like this amongst, you know, so many others, but those are some names that fans will be able to identify with, and I'm looking forward to another great year.
What about on the opposite side, your bats? You got any speed coming back, or you had some speed last year? You looking at it continue?
Yeah, we've got a couple guys that can run pretty well. Todd Weiss returns. He's slated right now as our 5th outfielder, but he runs like a deer, puts the ball in play, plays a great defense. Nick Campana was with us last year, my center fielder. He runs well, also has some thump in his bat. I've got a little guy Ryan Kemp. I'm not sure he's even tall enough to get on a Cedar Point ride, but he's a little guy, man. Little Jose Altuve. He's got some speed. He's got some thump in his bat. Looking forward to see him getting out there. TJ Ward is a returner. He's coming in from the University of Hartford, teammate and roommate of Nick Campana. He's off to a great start so far in spring training, and another leader, fantastic defender with with a lot of power in his bat. So we're the stage is set. It's just my job to continue doing what I've been doing and keep them focused and keep them in, put them in the right position to be successful, and hopefully we'll be there at the end like we have been.
So as you're looking at the present day look of Jimmy John's Field, opening day is here. What message do you have for the fans as they prepare for the 2019 campaign down here at Jimmy John's Field?
Well, first and foremost, thanks again for all your support and your love, and whatever we can do with my team, whatever we can do to continue to make your experience here with you and your family top notch, we're all in, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be here doing this interview, and all these wonderful players who have deserved the opportunity to play professional baseball, they wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys either. So continue doing what you're doing, and let us know if there's anything we can do to help your experience.
How do you like seeing the footage of the ball field as we're doing the interview?
I love it. I think that it's a beautiful stadium, and how it's been pieced together is awesome. It's interesting to see, to see how it all came together, and now you got this beautiful finished product. Yeah, job well done, without a doubt.
Class act, Skip. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Give me that hand.
You as well, buddy.
You come on down to Jimmy John's Field this season, and you're going to have a fantastic time. If you like this video, please hit that like button, share it with all your friends. Also, you can see more of my videos at my YouTube channel. Go there and subscribe, hit that bell notification button so you're notified when I make future videos. And of course, you can see a lot more videos, a lot more of my work, and find out what we can do for you at my website, RonRobinsonStudios.com. Go check that out. Until next time, let's say it 1, 2, 3. Go Beavers!